Hello and welcome to everyone. Today we will study Bontellier theory and its concept. Development of boundary layer. The distance from the body surface when the velocity reaches 99% of the velocity of the main flow. This is the main flow take place and the boundary layer is developed over here. The thickness of the boundary layer is increases gradually, and which is defined as a boundary layer thickness when the distance from the surface or a body to which velocity becomes 99% of the free stream velocity, which is called as the boundary layer thickness. The boundary layer continuously thickens with the distance over which it flows. This process is visualized as shown in the below figure. However, viscous flow boundary layer characterized for external flows are significantly differ as shown below for flow over a flat plate. This is the flat plate where a free stream velocity is a fluid of a free stream velocity is flows over a flat plate. Three sections are formed over this flat plate. First section is a laminar, second one is a transition, and next one is a turbulent zone. This profile is called as the parabolic velocity profile, and this profile is somewhat a flatter profile which is developed in a turbulent zone. And this section is called as the transition section, which is from laminar to turbulent. The point at which the flow start is called as the leading edge of the plate, and at which the flow end is called as the trailing edge of the plate, and x is the distance from the leading edge at a certain section of the plate. The most important fluid flow parameter is the local Reynolds number, which is defined as Rex. We know that Reynolds number is equal to inertia force upon viscous force. By putting the values of inertia force and viscous forces, we are getting this formula rho u infinity into x divided by mu, where this rho is the density of the fluid which is flowing over the plate, and u infinity is the free stream velocity of the fluid, or any fluid means any liquid or a gas, into x. X is the distance from the leading edge of the plate, divided by mu. Mu is the dynamic viscosity of the fluid. Now this, which is equal to ux divided by nu. What is meant by nu? Nu is the kinematic viscosity of the flow. When we divide mu, that is dynamic viscosity, by density, we will get this nu. Kinematic viscosity is nothing but dynamic viscosity divided by the density of the fluid. The transition from laminar to turbulent flow typically occurs at the local transition Reynolds number, which is for a flat plate. Flow can be range of 5 into 10 raised to 5, which is less than critical Reynolds number, and which is greater than 3 into 10 raised to 6 for a transition from laminar to turbulent flow. Okay, thank you.